Kasi ang hirap sa dagat eh. Which I'm enjoying every week. It's like heaven to me. Last week, and so, lumawi kami sa Laurent Island in Calayo Cove, Lasubi,
Wow. Uy.
along with 8 young people in their early 20s, and we did one loop from the shoreline going to the island and then go back to the shoreline.
So
I
inikot
think
niyo yung
8 kilometers.
island. Oh.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Wow.
It's very alam mo yung fulfilling afterward you do that. And then along the way, you learn many things. You learn new things, nakikita mo yung weakness mo. Kasi every time nalalangoy ako, hindi same ang gagawin mo eh. It's very different from your past swim. Kasi hindi mo alam talaga ang mangyayari. Just look at it, nag-change yung wind, nag-crosswind, minsan headwind, ang hirap din. And then mga solid shocks. Now you have to consider. Then under consideration, you have to do something.
Yes.
Hindi lang itong langoy mo, you have to do something on your swim, on how you're going to navigate, going to your end point.